What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. The lighting up here is crazy. Gonna go hang out with the buddy Alex today. Happy Sunday to everybody, first and foremost. Gonna go hang out with the buddy Alex today. Got a nice little Integra, nice clean Integra. I believe it's on T37s. I'm not really sure, but it's a GSR Integra and it looks real nice. It's a DA, so it's a 1.7 DSR. It's nice. I'm gonna go to the gym after. Got dressed for the gym, taking my BCAAs. If you guys, for some of you that have asked me like what supplements I take, that's the only thing I take. I take fiber for my you know, like for my stomach and stuff like that, and I take the BCAAs, and that's about it. I don't take any pre-workouts. I don't take none of that crap. Not on steroids, none of that bullshit. And then I'm gonna go to the gym after. I've officially lost 10 pounds. I've officially lost 10 pounds and dropped the body weight, dropped the body fat by 8%. We started this journey at 220, we're at 210. Need to go down to like 190. And then we're gonna change up a bunch of other stuff. But anyways, let's get the show on the road. We gotta go pick up breakfast. Then we'll go meet up Alex. I'm gonna go get the RSX. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just grabbed some coffee. We came out to take some pictures. I'm here with Alex, his badass DA here, sitting on Volks. Looks amazing. It's a GSR. We're gonna do a little review on it. Expected for the Monday review series. Brought out the RSX just to take some nice little pictures of it. Hate how this car's looking right now. I need to get it painted ASAP. That lip is killing me in the door. But overall, I think it looks good. This car is mint. Love the wheel setup. What camera is that, Alex?
Sony A3.
Sony A3?
Yep.
What lens?
I have a 35 millimeter.
Oh, it's a 35.
Yeah, it's nice. It's sharp, super sharp.
I'm gonna leave you guys the link below to his Instagram so you can check out his pictures and what he does. Come out really good. Looks real good. But anyways, we're gonna get some shots. Some like Instagram work. So I just found out that Acura Honda Classic has got their meet coming up already on June 13. If you guys wanted to check it out, Acura Honda Classic on Instagram. There's a lot of wind here. Gotta fix the mic. Acura Honda Classic, June 13. It's on a Sunday. I believe it's gonna be from like 8 to 11. There'll be a lot of Hondas out there. I'll definitely be out there with the little hoopty. Not painted because I'm still waiting on the gentleman. The gentleman has like 2 cars to finish paint. There's a lot of wind, guys, so I'm sorry if it's picking up the wind. The gentleman has 2 cars he has to paint, and then mine is up next, and then hopefully the car will be painting and looking fresh. But nonetheless, looking to change the wheels. The RPF ones are for sale. Looking to change the wheels just to get a different vibe of the car. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully we'll have a good brand new facelift on the car. Looking for the Type R lips also. If you guys haven't checked out the raffle, I'm doing a raffle for the A-Spec lip and the rear lip. It's $25 for 25 tickets. I keep putting 25 for 20. It's $25 for 25 tickets. Once the 25 tickets are filled, then I'll pick up a random winner, unless someone buys them right off. If someone buys them right off and gives me what I want, then I'll definitely sell them. Looking to go with the Type R lip, front and rear. Kind of just over the A-Spec look. I had it for a while. I loved it. The A-Spec lip is nice, but I want to do the Type R kit. So anyways, we're gonna continue with the photo shoot. Come back to you guys. All right, so we just got to another spot. Got a couple of traders parked here. That's what I did the review for over there's where I did the review for the Grand National. There's a lot of traders there now. And I actually did a photo shoot here of this car. It's actually on my Instagram. They're selling water, coconut water. I could get some coconut water refresh. Anyways, let me show you this guy. So let me show you this car. So, hey, what year is this car, Alex? 92. Okay. So this is a 92 Integra. It's got a GSR on it. It's got the Volks wheels, the Volks T37s. It's got everything Volks, like all the lug nuts, everything looks really good. Rocking some semi-slicks toils, looking very nice. Interior is extremely mint. Extremely mint. You guys can see here. Looks very nice. Paint job is good. Might need a paint job later on in the future, but it looks really good. I just love this. Look at this. This is amazing. Manual for the window. That is so badass. Crazy. I'm gonna show you guys the engine in a little bit. Alex here taking some pictures. Freaking beautiful day, man. It's like sunny. It's a beautiful day out here in Florida today. Got all my Cuban peeps over there drinking the coconut water. Taking a couple of photo shoots of the car. The car looks so good. The paint job looks so good, but don't let it fool you. It definitely needs a paint job. Yo, it is so bad right now. Like, it's so hot. It's fucking crazy, dude. That was funny though, that taking pictures with that toilet in the car next to it. I don't know, we just thought about ideas, getting creative. You know, Alex is a great photographer, so we thought about ideas and how to get a little bit creative with the pictures just for the gram. We're actually gonna go to a rooftop right now to record, to do the review on the Integra. You guys see it on the Monday review series. That car is so clean, man, for being a 93 or 92 that it is. 93, I think. It is so freaking clean, but nonetheless, we're on the way to a garage now, rooftop, get some shade, because it is hot. It is hot, and we'll get you the video. But anyways, come along. Nice little chilling Sunday today. Let's go. So we just found like some shaded, obviously we came to the rooftop and it's shaded, but we're gonna get the review going of the Integra. Got the DC5 here, went to get some more coffee just to get a little bit more energy, but nonetheless, we did a nice little photo shoot. Hopefully these pictures come out good. Well, they will come out good because Alex is a good editor. I'll leave you guys a link of his Instagram so you guys can check him out. We're gonna set everything up, get a nice little review going. And yep, bring you guys another episode for the review series. And that's about it. For today, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit more. And yeah, just do this review series because this review episodes, because it's gonna be nice. This car is very nice. It's got a lot of nice aftermarket parts.